IDEs, Internet of Things and Electronic Solutions. We support you to develop your knowledge and make you familiar with the latest technology and gadgets.
Hello there. Today we are going to see how to program ESP12 series Node MCU Wi-Fi module with the well-known Arduino IDE. Goal of this video is to give you a very basic introduction to ESP Wi-Fi modules and make you familiar with the ESP programming through Arduino IDE. Node MCU is a Wi-Fi development board made using ESP12 series Wi-Fi modules, and nowadays these Wi-Fi modules are getting much more popular among people due to wide variety of applications. So today I am going to select Node MCU to give you a basic introduction and start to my video tutorial lesson series to ESP Wi-Fi modules. ESP12 series module with the development board, which is also known as Node MCU, is handy and most abundant Wi-Fi board you can find easily in eBay or any other online store. Since this Wi-Fi module board is compatible with Arduino, one can easily upload programs compiled using Arduino IDE to this board through the serial port. So just like normal serial communication, you can connect USB to inbuilt USB to serial converter chip, which is CH340, comes with the board itself easily. The links where I bought the Wi-Fi module can find under the video description below. Since we are using Arduino IDE as the base for running the code, we need to download Arduino compatible ESP8266 library board package first. Go to Arduino website and download the Arduino IDE zip file for non-admin install. Now extract the Arduino IDE pack and place it in any destination in the hard drive. Plug USB cable to Wi-Fi module and open the Arduino IDE to check whether the hardware is correctly detected by the Windows Hardware Manager. If not, you can direct into the driver folder in the Arduino IDE extract to find the drivers to the hardware. Since this particular board which I am using is having CH340 USB to serial converter, you won't be able to find the drivers in the driver folder. In that case, you can go to the link in the description below to find the drivers for the hardware. Next step is to download all the required board manager files and libraries to the Arduino IDE. To do this, go to Arduino IDE, Tools, Board, and click Boards Manager. Find generic ESP8266 and click Install. If you cannot find the board in the board manager, copy the link in the description below for ESP8266 board and go to Arduino IDE, File, Preference, and paste the link in the additional board manager URL and click OK. Now recheck the board manager to find the required board manager files and click Install. When the software is completely installed, close the Arduino IDE and open it again to properly include the board files. Basically, that's all. Arduino IDE is now ready to program ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Now let's see how we can upload the program to the board. Open the Arduino IDE, go to Tools, Boards, and select the generic ESP8266. Go to Variant and select 64K flash version. Go to CPU speed and select 72 MHz. Go to Upload method and select Serial. And finally, select the COM port of your programmer. Now go to Files, Examples, Basic, Blink, Sketch, and open it. The inbuilt LED on this board is connected to pin 2. So you need to change the LED pin to 2 to get the LED blink on this board. After changing this value, program is ready to compile and upload. But before uploading the program, you need to do one more thing. Before each and every upload, you need to press the reset button in the board while pressing the boot button. This will switch the Wi-Fi board to program mode. Now click upload in the Arduino IDE and program should be uploaded. After that, the program will execute automatically. So LED should start to flash. And that's it. We just uploaded our first program to ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. We will be uploading more videos about ESP8266 modules later. If you find this video important to you, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.